Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making Negi Toro. Negi means scallions and Toro means fatty tuna, and it is usually made from the fibrous and fatty part of tuna that should be discarded. But today I used lean tuna to make it even more delicious and healthy. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the sweet soy sauce. Combine soy sauce, mirin, and sugar in a heat-proof bowl. Microwave for 30 seconds at 800 watt until bubbling. Whisk well and dissolve sugar and set aside until used. Cut negi, the scallion, into small pieces. Scallion has a mild, pungent flavor, but refreshing and is commonly used in Japanese dishes. The scallion cuts the fishy smell with its mild, pungent aroma, creating a nice contrast. And let's take a look at tuna. It's a beautiful small block of tuna, but a bit fibrous. And take a spoon and scrape the meat from the fiber. And mince the tuna into tiny pieces. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil of your choice. I am using a rice bran oil here, and the oil will create the melt in your mouth texture. Mix well and transfer to a bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and chill in the fridge while preparing the sushi rice. Drizzle sushi vinegar over warm cooked rice. Mix well using a cutting motion, not to smash the rice grain, and mix really well. To make it into sushi, we will use nori. Cut the nori seed into 6 strips as indicated. This type of sushi is called gunkan-maki, that means the battleship sushi, because it looks like a battleship. Shape sushi rice into a small oval shape. Moisten your hand with a vinegary water to shape it, or use a piece of plastic to shape it into an oval. Make a dent in the center to be put the Negi Toro filling over it. Apply wasabi as much as you want, then wrap it around with nori sheet. Stick the end with the vinegary water. Mix prepared tuna and chopped scallion and put a spoonful of it over the prepared sushi. And that's it! If you like scallion, put some more and drizzle the sweet soy sauce over it and enjoy! You can use the regular soy sauce instead, but I prefer the sauce because it brings out the flavor of all ingredients. No cooking is involved, but delicious and healthy. I would love to make this on the hot summer days. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!